Hello, welcome to Project Ångström, created by Atomic Theory. My name is Kinshan Khan and I'll be your guide to this amazing scouting website. Firstly, in order to log in, a pre-made account is needed. This account will belong to either an admin or an individual and has some bonus features we will talk about later. Let's log in first. We'll log in as an admin called Bobby. Once logged in, you see that we have three different tabs that one can interact with: the dashboard, the scout page, and the admin page. Let's start with the admin page first. In the admin page, you can do a variety of things. Firstly, you can add a team to the database. This adds a team to the database as well as stores basic information about the team. In addition, we can pull information about the team using our API. The next feature allows admins to add other users as well as create their login credentials. Just below that, you can see the list of the current users and their access levels. To delete a user, simply click the trash icon. Sorry to user 5, you didn't make the cut. Going to the list of users again, user 5 no longer exists. In addition, the stars next to the names means that these accounts are admins. The last thing on the admin page is the settings. Here, you can download match data, team data, and pre-scout data in CSV form. You can also clear all the data from the database, which I shan't do right now because there are other aspects to this site which utilize the data nicely, which I want to showcase in this video. Now, let's move on to the dashboard. You can search for a team by typing in the team name or number into the find field. For example, if I start typing in 20, only teams with 20 appear, like Team 20, Team 21, Team 22, Team 23, Team 24, etc. The list is automatically updated and we can click on the desired team to view their profile page. Before we do that, however, let's check out the list below to see the best top teams based on each different category. So Team 7 has the best OPR, Team 17 has the best impacts, Team 5 has the best glyphs, and Team 5 also has the best autoglyphs. The top 3 teams for each category are displayed here. Now, let's check out a team page. For example, Team 20. The team page contains all information gathered about the team selected. For example, Team 20 is located in St. Lucia, has 78 members, and it would have an image. However, it seems that this team did not upload their image properly, and so it's not being displayed. However, it could have been a team robot, or it could have been anything that the team chose to display. And we also showcase pre-scout information such as auto, teleop, and endgame, and previous competitions, but none have been found right now. On the next card is the data card for each match the team performed in this competition. OPR is the score the team received on that match, and impact is the share of total alliance points. There are also graphs to help visualize the data below. For example, you have OPR versus match, which means in the first match, this team scored around 300, which is indicated in the table as well. They scored exactly 315. Using the carousel slider, which is touchscreen on mobile by the way, the site's very mobile compatible. We see the next graph, which is impacts versus match, the next graph, which is total glyphs versus match, and the last graph, which is auto glyphs versus match, and then it loops around. Let's move on to the scout form. The scout form is very self-explanatory. You simply enter the information about a team onto the form. This data is then inputted into the database. The last thing I want to show you is the compare page. This allows you to compare different teams based on OPR throughout the tournament. There are no limits to how many teams you can compare. This can be very useful for choosing your alliance partner in the final round. For example, let's compare teams 7, 15, and 24. Below, we see each team being graphed. Team 7 cuts off early because they only competed in 3 matches compared to Team 24 and 15. Let's graph all of them. We see that it's a huge mess because teams tend to score closely. But we also see that the purple team, which is Team 22, has a crazy outlier, but does not on average perform better than, let's say, Team 12. Now let's try logging out and logging in as a normal member. For example, let's log in as Little Bobby. You see that the admin tab has disappeared and we're only left with the Scout tab and the Dashboard tab. The rest of the features are similar to the admin page. However, this member no longer has the power to, let's say, remove another member, download previous data to archive, or clear old data, which would have been disastrous. Now you're an Ångström master with unlimited power. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!